Hi, and next activity that I'm going to show you is you're getting this book in your kit. It's called One Small Square, and this is the backyard version. It's got really great illustrations in here, and it goes through the animals, it goes through the plants, it goes through seeds, it goes through the different changes of weather, it goes through the soil, it goes through tons of things that you would see in your own backyard. And how you can use this book at school is you go out, you take and stake out a portion of your schoolyard. It can be just as big as a yard by yard. And you can do this one square yard as a class, and or you can take and give each child like a foot by foot square that they're responsible of. You can go out and you can stick skewers in the ground. You can run yarn around it so everybody knows where their place is. You can use a plant marker to mark everybody's name on it. And the whole concept is what you do is for a whole school year, you go out and you observe your square area. And during the year, the kids will notice the changes in the earth and the soil. They'll notice the changes of the bugs and the insects that they see. So what you're going to go out, and I would start with this first. I would go out, you're going to get a trowel, go out and dig up some dirt. You can do soil observations. You can see the different layers of soil. And of course, this goes along with one of our science units. So you can see the different layers of soil. And be really careful when you first start doing this. Make sure that you have the kids really observe the top layer of soil, because that's where you're going to see your change at during this whole school year, because that top layer is going to change. So you've got your trowels that are going to come with you. You have a bug viewer. So the kids can go out, and you're going to get multiples of these little bug viewers that the kids can pick up. You're also going to get tweezers. So kids that are squeamish don't have to pick up anything. So you're going to get your tweezers. And you put your bugs inside your tweezers. Of course, there's a magnifying lens at the top. And then at the bottom, there's a grid. So whatever your students collect, they can actually take and use this grid to make a scientific drawing of what they see. Make sure that they have the kids label all of the parts of the bugs or insects or whatever they see. Leaves, whatever, okay? And then you have this whole backyard safari kit where you can store larger things that you find. You can collect leaves in here. You can watch them disintegrate over the year's time. So like I said, you can put little animals in here. You just want to make sure you don't keep them in there very long unless you have created a suitable habitat for them to exist in. In the back of this book, there's some activities. And like I said, of course, this is a great book because it's nonfiction. There's an index so that the kids can look up different things. And like I said, it goes through all the seeds, all the plants, anything that they might be able to identify. And a good idea is you might want to have the students pick a different area on the school grounds so you're not all looking at the same type of things all year, especially if you have some woods that you might be able to go on the edge of the woods, someplace on the playground, somewhere around the school itself, because all of those things will actually change throughout the year. So this is our one square yard. In addition to this, there's going to be a video that we're going to be sending you. So it's a complete demonstration from one of our colleagues here at Roper Mountain that's going to actually demonstrate for you how he sets up his one square yard in the backyard.